Watch carefully. Oh. Look at that. Oh boy. Fucking delicious. Oh my Lord. I decided to teach a second masterclass. Oh boy. This time round, I'm going to take you into an area where you felt your home cooking could never go. The secret behind any great soufflé is in the buttering of the mold. You brush vertical strokes up. This crispy chicken salad for me is the get out of jail card, especially when you've got a big dinner party, because that is good enough for 4 or 5 of you. Grab a leaf, lift it up. Now, I'm fed up when you see chefs boiling asparagus. Beautiful. You get a free facial at the same time. Cooking is a labor of love. Stay close to every step of the way. I'm going to teach you methods, secrets that I'm teaching some of the best chefs in the world today. I'm Gordon Ramsay, and this is my masterclass.